Students, welcome to the first session of chapter 19 Pollution of Air of subject science of class 8th. Students, you know that we all are dependent on environment for our survival, and clean environment is vital for the maintenance of life of all living organisms. As there is an increase in population, there is an extra burden on our environment. More and more forests are being cut to meet the increasing demand of houses. More food is needed to feed the increasing population. More industries have to be set up to manufacture items of daily use. Many of these industries release harmful gases in atmosphere and liquid waste in water, and these all activities has led to the contamination of the environment, and the contamination of environment by harmful substances is known as pollution, and substance which is capable of causing harmful effects in environment by changing the properties of the air or water or other components of environment is called a pollutant. Air, you know that it is essential for life. Without it, we cannot survive. Even the small microorganisms, they are also dependent on the air. And air constitutes the physical environment of all living organisms. And you already know that atmosphere is divided into three layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. Normal components of our atmosphere are nitrogen gas, which constitutes 78.1% of the atmosphere, oxygen gas, which constitutes 20.9% of the atmosphere, and carbon dioxide gas, which forms 0.03% of the atmosphere, and other components are 0.07% that constitute the atmosphere. And other thing, they include noble gases like krypton, xenon, argon, helium, methane and sulphur dioxide gas. And the pollutants which are added to the air and change the property of the air and causes harmful effects, then the air is called polluted air, and the phenomenon is called air pollution. The contamination of air by unwanted substances having harmful effects on both the living and non-living things is referred to as air pollution. All substances that contaminate air are called air pollutants. The main sources of pollution are automobiles, which include motor vehicles, and they are the major source of air pollution, especially in urban areas, as they emit hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, lead, nitrogen oxides and particulate matter like carbon particles. In addition, diesel engines, when misused or badly adjusted, are capable of emitting black smoke and malodorous fumes. Second cause is industries. Combustion of fuel in industries generate heat and produce smoke also. They also produce sulfur dioxide, a harmful gas, nitrogen oxide and fly ash. And petrochemical industries generate hydrogen fluoride, hydrochloric acid and organic halides, which are harmful for the air quality. Next cause is Domestic sources. Domestic combustion of coal, wood, or oil is a major source of smoke, dust, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxide. Then, tobacco smoke, that is used in the cigarettes or BDs when people do smoking. The most direct and important source of air pollution affecting the health of many people. Even those who do not smoke may inhale the smoke produced by others. This is called passive smoking. So, tobacco smoke, it also causes air pollution. And few other harmful substances like chlorofluorocarbons, they also are responsible for pollution of air. And some miscellaneous causes are like burning of waste or spraying of pesticides, and also natural sources like wind-borne dust, fungi, molds, bacteria, and nuclear energy programs. They are all responsible for the air pollution. It is not only the human beings, but by natural means sources, this air can be polluted. Now, students, you have to give answers of the following questions, and you have to write their answers in your rough notebook. Question number 1, define pollution, pollutants, air pollution, and air pollutants. Question number 2, mention causes of air pollution. Students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.